Okay, so we've just finished eating Max. Me and So got really hungry again, so we went to Max and cleaned up Max again.
Yeah.
We're now walking past Tivoli. We've had a really good night. We got our bottles. It's like 11 o'clock at night, so because it's actually dark, so it must be 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go back to the hotel room, see Bear, sleep, coffee, and have fun. Because that's my day, and I could do a coffee in the morning so bad. But no, I've had a really good night. Thanks to So. It's been a great night. She made it awesome. She caught a train the whole way down to see me and have drinks. So it was a really good adventure. Yeah. I'm pretty...
And you're getting married.
Less than a week. Fuck. Oh, there's a car. But yeah, alright, off to the hotel. Hey, doll!
Hey, doll.
So it's the morning after. So is fresh as a daisy. She didn't drink. Sarah is as wet as a daisy.
Yep.
She had a shower.
Yeah.
I feel pretty average. 2 o'clock this morning I didn't feel average. So now I feel so tired. So now we're gonna go get some more food. Sarah's amazing. She woke up this morning, bought coffee, and bought us all croissants and brekkie and stuff like that. So that was awesome. And now we're gonna go and see Norm and the Fam Bam. And then we're going to Wonder. I'm gonna find Blake. I wonder if he's alive. He's somewhere. I don't know where though. But yeah, that's my day. And hang out and chill. You excited, Bear?
Yes.
Are you excited? Are you happy I survived?
Oh, I knew you would.
So I knew I would. So-So's looking after me. I got pretty tipsy.
Tipsy.
Alright, cool. Hey, door. Okay, so we're out of the hotel. Sarah got me coffee from there. Now we're finding for a bit more food and a bit more fricos. Fricos? Fricos.
Yeah,
And then we're going to meet up with Norman in the Fam Bam.
you want like a sandwich? These ones look really good.
What are you thinking, so?
Me?
Yeah. What do you feel like for breakfast? Alright. Hey, door.
Back the other way. It's red. Ready? This way.
It's green.
Green mean go.
Red.
Red.
Red. Red.
Red.
And it's green. Green.
So dun 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 dun.
Red. It's red. Red. It's green. Red. Green. Red.
Red.
Green. Red. Red.
Red means stop. What does red mean, Norman?
Yellow.
Yellow. What
Yellow.
did you do? Yellow. Return. Like a little.
Twirly twirl.
Again.
Oh, I think.
You got a full-time job now.
I think you're off the podium, Bear. All right, so we're just reenacting in the hallway the sequence of going down the aisle. Worked out really well.
Yellow.
I think skipping would be best.
Yellow again. Now we have to turn.
I love it. It's cute.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
It's red. And green. Blue. And it's blue. What do we do at blue?
I think it worked perfect. So
I think it's a good
has
idea
got
that they can take one in each
siblings.
hand.
Yeah, I think it would look
I think
cute.
they look cuter. Yeah.
And So-So's got a lot of brothers and sisters, so
Yeah, she's good with kids.
it's great with kids. I think it's cute.
It was rescue store.
I'm excited.
Watch out. I
Hey,
left the
door.
bag in there.
All right, Norman, which one's your mama's door? Come on. Hey, bro, come on, bro. All right, so now we're going to go walk down the Strand, the
She's
street
pretty energetic.
and stuff. So that was cute. That was awesome. All right. Hey, door. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we've just found Blakey and Soso. Well, Soso never really left. We found Blakey and Sarah disappeared. And now we're walking down to the train station. We've just been shopping. Look at the little puppy!
So cute.
So we're walking. I feel pretty better. Of course you can. Blake is insane. I don't actually think he flew in yesterday because he's just alive. It's amazing. Soso did a good job. I'm not dead, so Sarah needs to thank her for keeping me alive. The boat was fantastic and yeah, kicked ass. So now for the rest of the day it's just to chill, say bye-bye to Soso, and then me and Blake are just gonna sit somewhere and chill. I am not drinking, no more. I am done for drinking until the wedding.
It's only early.
It's only early, it's 11 o'clock.
Just yet.
Don't make bad decisions yet. But yeah, and Bear's gonna plan more wedding. So it's gonna be a good day. I'm excited. And it's busy. Look, I'm like to a group. Follow the stick. Follow the stick. Follow. And on your left. On your right. Hey, Dale. Oh, the bridge is gonna go up. Alright, so I'm just walking down the ramp now. Blake's behind me. Little Bear's over there. I did this 3 years ago. Oh! I actually feel it's pretty good down here. But it's pretty slippy.
Slippery.
Oh, not slippery, just what you gotta do is just make sure that you have all the gap. Could you imagine if it dropped?
I want to go off here on the bushy.
Oh, dude, that would be fun. You'd get almost to the end, I reckon.
Nah, you wouldn't get. You'd probably go like, I reckon you'd go maybe 2-3 meters.
Alright guys, look here.
All right. How do I get down from here? Quick, get me a boat. That bridge is gonna go up.
Huh?
All right, so we just dropped off Soso. Blakey's coming down the ramp. Sarah's a scaredy cat, so she's not coming down. It's actually pretty cool down here. Yeah, the last meter and a half, you're kind of like, ah! All right, picture time. Yeah, we'll do this one. Woo! And then we'll do Little Bear.
Oh, through the gap.
2019, woo! All right, the bridge is going up. You see the bridge, Bear? All right, Blakey, you're gonna walk up with me. We're gonna climb Mount Everest. So the plan today is literally just chill and relax. The boat place is over there. We gave a good review. We did that last night. Yesterday it was awesome. And then today we're just chilling on this. All right, you ready? You first, me first. I'll go first. All right, so. Oh, it hurts. Ha! Oh, yeah, my calf's killed. I'm actually pretty unbalanced right now. Oh, that was
Definitely not as scary coming back up.
no, it's not. But going down, you can feel your feet sort of like. Ah! This one's not bad. All right, so there's the bridge. We're just a little further down Copenhagen. Bridge is coming back down. Nothing went through. What was the point of that? Cool. All right, so now we're gonna
That's
keep
the
walking on.
lighthouse, like-
Where are we ending up?
Nihon?
Hej då!
Got your phone.
Tack så mycket. And there it was. You gonna go down there, Little Bear? All right, hej då. Right, go.
Oh no!
I'm too scared to kind of.
I'm not even going to attempt it.
If I didn't have a wedding on the weekend, I would probably do better.
I would be scared on the landing. Any movement, you're like, ah!
Oh, no.
So as you can see, we found jumping springs in the middle of Copenhagen.
It's
Where-
where you take water and then keep it stuck for hours.
We're walking along the canal,
I'm a big kid.
and we found the springy jumps, and we're just chilling. So we're gonna go for lunch, and I'm feeling better, but I'm still a bit tired from last night, as you say. Sarah's a big kid.
Yeah. Drew has too much of a headache to dare to jump.
much of a headache to dare to jump. I'm gonna try and join you. This is a bad idea. Oh no, that's a really bad idea. So yeah,
Are you ready?
I'm very ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Whee! Oh, it's not so good with the hands.
Right, you're gonna do that again.
Do a backflip.
Ready?
No, I
Go.
can't do that.
Go. One more time.
It's just not quite as springy as a normal trampoline though.
No. So we're gonna
Oh
keep
God,
walking
it's
down to
just weird
Neeham,
stand still again.
and we're gonna try and have some lunch down at Neeham
With
with Bimberley
Bimberley.
and the Fam Bam, and B Lake gets him, Blaine Key, get
I love
him
this
some
kind of
food,
boats.
the barge,
Yeah.
Little small barge.
and yeah. So that's our plans for the next hour or so. I'm having a blast. I feel
We're
better
having
now.
a calm
2
day.
coffees down, 5 croissants,
5
2
croissants.
chocolate things.
Pretty
Yeah.
much, yeah.
And I'm killing it. I feel great.
bought-
It's good.
No more.
So we're sitting. What's this called again? I can't remember. I just called it the water
What's the
bridge.
name of the pizza? No, that's for Sita. That's where we are.
La Cita. We're in La Cita. We're having
Puppy.
pizza. He's hungry. He's like, I
polite.
want to eat everything. Like he's getting pizza. He's got Coke. I've got Coke in my pizza. What'd you get?
I got a potato pizza.
I know you're a potato Swede. And then what did Kimberly get?
I don't know. Ask.
It's good.
Lemonade.
Craig feels fine from last night.
Look, the tiger.
I got the tiger.
Yeah, the tiger.
Yeah, you need a Frölander. Hey Craig, what's your favourite memory from last night?
I have no memory from last night.
I remember everything. My favourite memory was when you
We're telling people.
went up to the 2 people, really happy, and they just completely ignored you.
Blanked me.
Really?
Just blanked.
My favourite bit was when we lost you.
You lost me?
Yeah, for 45 minutes, and then we found you on that park bench with
Oh,
your
yeah.
guts down.
Oh yeah.
It was
No,
a
take
very
it off
good
for you.
night.
man in the world had a big smile.
Oh, he was very. Came out
Break
my
up
mouth.
the sun-dried
Alright.
tomato. There you go.
Hey, door.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Bear, where are we?
On the grand tour again.
For the second time this week with B-Rake. He's having fun. He's got no jet lag. I'm the one that feels like I have jet lag. Whew. I feel it. I
Oh,
feel
you
pretty-
always have jet lag.
I
right?
always have jet lag. I've been here for 3 weeks. So we're gonna go back and see Little Mermaid, all the awesome things again. I love this tour. I could do it every day, all day.
I like that it's an open boat.
Yeah, you're lucky. Sometimes you get the closed boats and they're annoying as. This one's open. The only thing that sucks about the open boats is when it's a bit windy. Yeah. But then once you, like yesterday, when you turn around, there's no wind. It's just pure bliss. And it's so cool because you're down in the boat like this, and all the really tall buildings and everything go past, and you're just like, that's awesome. So yeah, it's a good tour. The Neeham. They're nuts.
Hey, Dad! Did you get your picture? Oh. So cute.
She's a
She
good
was on
girl.
it yesterday.
Alright, hey door.
Inside the boat. Mind your children as well in this one.
Okay, so we're about to go through the tightest tunnel
Thank you very much.
in Copenhagen.
Bridge.
Under the tightest bridge in Copenhagen. It's very narrow and small.
Let's see if he doesn't bump up.
What do you think, Bear?
I like it.
Super close.
It's running
And
into
then
the wall.
look at the wall. Look how close it is to the wall.
Yeah. Look at this guy. It did not even touch it.
Didn't even touch the wall.
I think that's the first time we had where they did not touch it at all. You can see all the scratch marks.
When we went through on the little boat,
Yeah.
like explaining it to me, and I was trying to get my head around. I'm like, wait, that boat's too big to come down here.
This
That was
island
cool.
is called
That was good.
Lotsford. It is here where Danish power has been for many, many
That's where we're gonna
years.
go up.